Well, here it is. I've cleaned it up some. I'm going to do a little more sanding and fitting. I'd show you how this tablet fits in it, but I'm filming with the tablet that fits in it. So when I'm all done, maybe I'll take a little footage with the old camera. Sorry about the chirping. That's just the CNC servo motors chirping back and forth between the encoder teeth. I call it the ducks. They're always chirping. Okay, so here's the pile. So this goes here. There's a 1/4 inch pinholes here. So when I'm all said and done, I can sink some dowels in and align everything perfectly. Let's see. So there's that. So then, yeah, the cord fits and glues in here, comes out here, it slips out the bottom, so it goes out the back. And then in this piece, there's the opposite receptacle. So then the cord fits inside. And dowels will line all this up. And then that's where the tablet fits in. I keep trying to show you, but I'm holding the tablet. Okay. And then there's the face. I got my Honda logo off center. That'll annoy me forevermore, but oh well. Can't get them all great. Gotta accept a B. If you wanted an A plus, you'd never finish a damn thing. So I accept B minus on everything I do. Okay, let's see here. See if I can stack everything up, kinda. And then kinda. I'll sort it out and make it all fit better. So just like the Soundman, just like yours, Doug, fits in. And then I'll go lock in place on the little cable. I got myself one of those angled USB-C connectors or whatever, and it'll fit right in there. I'll epoxy it in there and chunk, it'll fit right on. And then it'll come around and fit into my little USB connector here so I can unplug it when I want. Yeah. So now I'll go find myself some dowels, sand it up a little bit, and glue it together. Make sure it fits the tablet real good. Then I'll give you another look. Okay, thanks for watching.